This male-booted racket-tail hummingbird lives on the brink of starvation. Just 2 hours without nectar, and he could die. Hummingbirds have the fastest metabolisms on Earth. Some need to visit 2,000 flowers a day, just to keep going. Heavy rain is predicted to increase, and when you weigh less than a nickel, raindrops are a bombardment. Waterlogged feathers slow his progress. Staying airborne becomes more demanding, but he's running on empty, and the clock is ticking. Even during a downpour, competition for flowers is fierce. A buff-tailed coronet, intent on keeping the nectar-filled flowers for himself. The racket-tail is no competition for the coronet. He must wait for